Carpentry. What duties and tasks does a carpenter perform? Carefully study blueprints and sketches. Execute measuring activities. Cut, shape and smooth the needed material. Build stairways, doors and window frames, partitions and rafters. Carve and assemble furniture, kitchen cabinets and drywalls. Lay out floorings, roofing or drywalls to ensure they are leveled and compatible. What skills and abilities are required to become a carpenter? Must be good at working with their hands. Must have physical stamina and strength. Must have good business skills. Self-employed carpenters must be able to bid for new jobs, track inventory, and plan work assignments. Must be detail-oriented. Must have a very logical mind and excel in problem-solving situations. Must be able to take exact measurements and work accurately. Must be good at maths. What are the working conditions of a carpenter? Some carpenters prefabricate cabinets and other structures in homes, shops or factories while others work on construction sites. Their jobs are physically intensive, requiring many hours of standing while cutting, joining, and working with wood materials. What are the minimum entry requirements to study carpentry at a TVET college? At a TVET college, the standard entrance requirements for the carpentry course are NC.V. program, a grade 9 certificate plus college requirements set per program. NATED program, grade 12 certificate plus college requirements set per program, or an NC.V. level 4 certificate in civil engineering and building construction. Watch more career guidance videos with Skills Passport.